Hey everyone, welcome to my craft room. I'm Jennifer with Pigskins and Pigtails, and I'm going to show you how to use Speedball's new Flex fabric ink to screen print on t-shirts. The process I use for screen printing is a little different from traditional methods. I use a vinyl cutter to create a design that sticks to the screen in place of the emulsion. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process. For this project, I'm using a 10 by 14 Speedball wooden screen printing frame, 8-inch textile squeegee, red Baron squeegee, transfer tape, vinyl, and parchment paper. These supplies can be found in Speedball's screen printing with craft vinyl kits. You will also need painter's tape, blank t-shirts, and of course your vinyl cutter. Start by cutting your design on a sheet of vinyl using your vinyl cutter. Be sure to mirror the design in your cut settings. This process works with any brand vinyl cutting machine. Remove the vinyl from your mat and weed the vinyl, picking out the parts of the vinyl where you want screen printing ink to go through. Your vinyl design will look like this with the letters removed and the design mirrored. Now let's transfer this to the screen printing frame using a piece of transfer tape. Smooth the tape on the vinyl using the squeegee, flattening any bubbles or wrinkles. Peel off the backing paper from the vinyl, leaving the vinyl sticky side up. Now place your screen printing frame on top of the sticky vinyl, eyeballing the placement close to the center of the screen. Use the squeegee again to press the vinyl on the screen. Flip the screen over and carefully peel the transfer tape off, leaving the vinyl stuck to the screen printing frame. Now we need to cover the open areas of the screen with painter's tape so ink does not go through here. Overlapping the tape and vinyl will ensure you don't have any gaps. Our screen is set up and ready for printing. Speedball's Flex inks come in a variety of vibrant colors, so choose the one you would like to use for your printing. Grab your blank t-shirt and spread it out on a flat surface. Take a piece of parchment paper and place it inside the shirt. This is going to catch any ink that might go through the fabric so it doesn't get on the back of your shirt. With the shirt spread smoothly on the table, place your screen on top of the shirt. Adjust the screen until it's centered and in the spot you want to print. I've chosen the mineral blue Flex ink for this shirt. Scoop a generous amount of ink along the top of your screen printing frame, just above the design. Hold your screen down with one hand and grab your squeegee with the other. Place your squeegee behind the ink and pull towards yourself with a good bit of pressure. I like to go over the design 2 to 3 times, starting at the top each time. Now we are ready to lift the screen and see our print. And we have a vibrant blue print using the Speedball Flex ink. The great part about screen printing is that it's easy to make multiple prints with the same screen. Just place your next blank shirt on the table with a piece of parchment paper inside. Squeegee the ink over the screen again. And just like that, we have screen printed 2 t-shirts. You could continue the process to make as many shirts as you would like. Once you're done, scoop any excess ink back into your jar. Flip the screen over and peel the painter's tape and vinyl off the screen. You can use a plastic palette knife or your fingers to remove all the vinyl pieces. Now let's take our supplies to the sink and wash them. With warm water and a sprayer attachment, the ink will wash away easily. If water alone does not remove all of the ink, you can use Speedball Speed Clean to clean the screen. You need to allow Speedball Flex ink to dry completely. The time it will take your ink to dry will depend on the temperature and humidity of your room. Once the ink is dry completely, there's one final step. To cure the screen printing ink so it does not fade when you wash these shirts, you need to apply heat. You can use an iron to cure the ink. Set your iron to the setting corresponding to your fabric type. Then move your iron over the design continuously for 2 minutes. Speedball Flex ink is now bonded with the t-shirt and will remain vibrant wash after wash. Just as it sounds, the ink is flexible and stretches along with the shirt. You'll get excellent coverage even on darker fabrics while maintaining elasticity. I hope this video has inspired you to try screen printing with Speedball Flex ink.